Our story research indicates this vehicle as having a recent price reduction with popular features and a good deal. Features also include traction control, anti-lock brakes, power windows, tire pressure monitoring system, hands-free Bluetooth integration. Stop by and take a look at the 2017 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. The Jeep Wrangler Unlimited is an on- and off-road capable vehicle that was made for you to enjoy. Stylish, rugged, and comfortable, all traits of the Wrangler that let you decide where you want to go and how you want to get there, and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, traction control, stability control, steering wheel audio controls, driver airbag, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, four-wheel disc brakes, floor mats, cruise control. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.